Hello, are you looking for online business ideas that you can sell online to make a passive income and earn money online? If so, then I have the perfect ideal for you. Do you have a hobby that you are passionate about? If you do, then why not create a business from your hobby to make a passive income for life? I will show you in this video how you can do it, and it's so easy to do. This is Mike here from Your Successful Affiliate Influencer. As we said at the beginning of this video, online business ideas. But before we start talking about online business deals, first of all, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, then click the subscribe button below, please, and then click the little black bell next to the subscribe button for notifications for when my next video comes out. Also, if you like my video, give my video a thumbs up, please. As I said, online business ideals. Do you have a hobby that you are passionate about? If so, why not create a business out of your hobby? Let's take an example, photography. Now then, what you need to do in this niche is not to make your niche general. You need to niche it down to something specific within photography, because when people go online, they always look for something specific. So if you do a general topic in your niche, nobody will buy from you. So as I said, you need to niche your product down. Now you can do this to create more than one product within your niche. So then at a later date, when you come to sell your product, you can also try to sell another product after they bought your first product. Now, what you need to do is to create up to 10 modules with your product. Then when you come to sell your modules, you give away your first module free. In fact, some people will actually give 1 to 2 modules away free. Why? Because they expect something free before they buy. So when they have a freebie, they are more likely to buy from you as they will want to know more details. As you see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 modules. Now what you can do in your first module is tell them what you've got in each of the 10 modules. Now your second one, which I also would advise to give away, you can actually start telling them what you're giving them information, what they want to know. But then what you need to do at the end of the second module is to leave something out, and to be able to find that next piece of information out, they will have to come to number 3. Consequently, to be able to get number 3 module and the rest of your modules, then they will have to buy. So think about it. Number 1 module, giving them information of all what's in each of the 10 modules. Then number 2, you start giving them the information they require, but you don't give them the full amount. You don't give them the full amount. The next piece of information which they need to be able to use this information will be in module number 3. Understand? So then they will want to buy. So think about it. We have a saying in this country, a sprat to catch a mackerel. You give him the sprat, then the mackerel comes along and he wants to eat it. He wants to eat the sprat. So that's what you have to do to be able to get people to buy from you. Now then, when you've created your modules, then you've got to start to think, how much am I going to charge for them? In other words, repricing. Don't undercut yourself. I would say around $100, but I would also say just do it under the $100, like 99 $1.50, or in my country, because I'm here in the UK, be like £99 and 50 pence. Some people, or most people, seem to fall for this as their brain tells them it's not $100 or it's not £100. It's very strange, but this is how people's minds do work these days. As I say, don't charge them. As I say, do that. Because, as I say, it's a very strange way the mind works. So just charge underneath that actual price what you're actually thinking about, and you're more likely to make a sale. Now, because this is your own product, you get to keep all the profits. When you sell somebody else's product, you only get a percentage of the price yourself. Yes, you will have work to do to produce your product, but it sure will be worth it, should I say, in the end for you. Next, you will need a website telling future customers all about your product. Don't be afraid to give information away. Why? Because they will want to know more. Put a video up on your website of yourself so people know who you are and that you are a real person, and they will get to know you. And when you get some customers, put some reviews up from your customers on your website. This will also help with your sales. Now, from your website, you need to send them to an autoresponder to collect emails and to be able to send them your first or second model, depending on how you wish to proceed. Before I forget, make sure you offer a money back scheme. Most people say 30 days, but this is entirely up to you. But as I say, 30 days is usually the average. Now then, back to your autoresponder. You will probably find you will need to send 8 to 10 emails before people will actually buy from you. Some people will buy from you straight away, but most people, you have to be persistent with them. Now, once you have sold them a product or a product to them, now you have their email addresses, should I say. You can then send them emails with the same niche to send more products to them. As I said, you can send them more or try to sell them more products. Now, because once you've got your customer hook and you're in this particular niche, as we're talking, as I said, photography, you'll be surprised that once, as I say, your customer is hooked, they are more likely to keep buying and buying and buying from you. So produce more modules that you can actually sell. Now then, with the modules you actually produce, what's the best way to produce your modules? Well, one is you can do all of them in ebooks, which you can sell them, or you can create a set of videos. This is entirely up to you. But on the other hand, also what you can do with it, if you do ebooks, you can actually put a video, or videos, should I say, within your ebooks. This is entirely up to you. But I know a lot of people, when they sell courses, they do them entirely on videos. Because when you do something on video and you're actually showing people how to do X, Y, Z, they seem to take it seems to get better into the head. I must admit, I am one of these people. Although I do like to read about it and then be able to watch a video so I know exactly what I am doing. Now then, to be able to create an ebook, to be able to sell it, if you're going to do ebooks, you've got canva.com, which you can use. You will find a link for that down below. Also, Calibri, which is another ebook maker, which you can also use. And I will also put a link down below for that one. And both these programs are totally free to use. So it doesn't cost you anything at all to be able to make these programs. As I say, with making videos, yes, you will probably have to pay a small fee just to be able to get the program or you're going to make your videos on. Now, I do mine on the laptop and I use Screenomatic. I think I pay once every 3 years, which is about, I can't be exact, but somewhere around between $30 and $40 for 3 years at a time. And you can do all your own editing in there also as well. You'll also find a link down there for that down below also as well. Now then, if you still want more help, because you need to be able to brand yourself, etc., I do have a free ebook down below. You will see that down below, which will give you all the most of the information you require to help you to be able to get started. Now, I hope this video has given you an insight into be able to start your own business up online and to be able to make a passive income. And as I say, to be able to earn good money. And as I said, when you do it this way, you're not selling somebody else's product, you're selling your own product, so you are making 100% profit. Now then, as I said at the beginning, if you have not subscribe to my YouTube channel, then please subscribe below and then click the little black bell next to the subscribe button for notifications for when my next video comes out. And if you like the information I've given you, please give me a thumbs up because this helps me, then I know people are interested in the type of information I am giving out. This is Mike from your Successful Affiliate Influencer signing off.